Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an Excel spreadsheet. Start by opening a new Excel workbook. You'll see a grid of cells organized into rows and columns. Rows are numbered and columns are lettered. Each cell has a unique address, like a 1 or B2. Begin by entering your data directly into these cells. Think about how you want to organize your information before you start typing. Once your data is in, let's make it easy to read. Bold your column headers to distinguish them from the data. You can adjust column widths by dragging the boundary between column letters or double-click to auto-fit. Similarly, adjust row heights. Adding borders around key data sets can also greatly improve visual organization and clarity. Now let's make your spreadsheet work for you with some basic formulas. To sum a range of numbers, simply type equals SUM, open parenthesis, select your cells and close parenthesis. For basic math, use plus, minus, asterisk for multiplication and forward slash for division. The average function works similarly to SUM, giving you the mean of selected values. To maintain data integrity, consider using data validation. This feature helps restrict what users can enter into a cell, like only allowing numbers or dates. You can also protect your worksheet or specific cells to prevent unintended modifications. Always remember to save your workbook frequently, perhaps every 10 to 15 minutes, to secure your progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.